got here? Model Y projection lights. Hit like and subscribe for more content like this. Just plug it in and enjoy the show. Here you go, and there you go. All right, so we're gonna do a little light surgery on a Tesla, and let's see how it goes. So what do we got here? We got some, actually, let's see. There's the light. Let's get it off. Should be very easy. Oh my gosh. Just because you're wondering, this is how it looks like. I just pull this little guy out, and then I'm gonna plug it into the other one. This is the old one, and here is the new one. Left goes on the left side. So let's glide it in. Now you also hear the sound. Boom! Oh, it's happening. There it is. And here you go. Oh, let's see how it looks like when you close the doors. Close the doors. Let's turn off the lights. Ooh, sweet. It's very cool. I like it.